Custom paint jobs, blending panels, small repairs, whatever you need to paint on your car, we have you covered. Eastwood has been serving the DIY paint community for over 45 years. Paint guns, single stage paints, 2K aerospray cans, primers, clears, and so much more. Well, now we get to introduce our OEM Select base coat. If you watched any of our recent paint videos, you've probably seen we've been doing some pretty cool custom colors, like the Datsun project, our Mustang paint job, and even our Factory 5 kit car. All of these projects were painted with OEM Select. But what is it? OEM Select base coat offers over 75,000 colors that you can choose for your next paint job. Whether you want to match the paint on your 2015 Silverado or your 1968 Camaro. You can choose the color using our paint match system that you can find right on eastwood.com. Simply use our year, make, model search system or enter the paint code directly. It'll give you options for gallons, quarts, and pints depending on the size of your project. This isn't just an off-the-shelf paint program. We can mix even the most complicated tri-coats that you're looking for. The really nice thing about this paint is that it's ready to spray. It'll get shipped right to your door and you'll be able to pour it right into the paint gun without having to add any reducer. A nice little touch for the DIYer at home. Now, obviously there's more than 75,000 color codes across all brands. So if we don't have your specific paint code, then give us a call. We'll work with our team of chemists to develop the paint, so when we say we can get you any color, we mean it. OEM Select base coat works great with our current primers and clears. So when you're ready to paint your next car, you can have confidence in getting all your supplies directly from Eastwood. For more information, click the link in our description to visit eastwood.com.